Gansu province, it's a very inspiring place because of the desert and of course because of the culture. The Gansu province, it's a cross-section between different cultures, and that diversity makes somehow the whole experience very richful, because we've been in the Tibetan Buddhism monastery, the Labrang monastery, but while we were traveling around, then the architecture was changing. Dunhuan art and culture gave me a lot of inspiration. With the colors on one hand, but for me it's very important to connect with the place through the materials. And I never drew before with sand. And right now I started to do that, to learn about the natural pigments and to connect with the place by really with the materials. So working with on that topics, it's very beautiful that I have a chance to use the natural materials from there. I decided to try to draw with the sand from the place. So I use my water and I mix it with the sand, and then I drew. And we are speaking different languages with the Mongolians. But they saw that I'm drawing, and they offer me to show me different nuances, the places with the different nuances of the sand. So one of the Mongolians brought me to several locations, and he somehow gave me that opportunity to collect some sand that lately I turned into a pigment, and I drew with that. So it was on one hand to be there in that amazing environment in the desert with so many changing colors, but as well to meet the people that are living there, and somehow without our human language to understand each other, and they became part of that process, and that was fantastic. For me, it was interesting to learn more about the natural pigments. This is something that I really want to bring back home and to learn more about that, because the paintings in the caves, they are made with natural pigments, and they are so vivid nowadays. We are part of that, the whole ecosystem, together with the bacteria, with the fungi, with the plants, with the trees, with the birds. So all of us, we are living together. And this is something that I am truly interested, and also I'm working on that topics. And I'm happy to be here because of that kind of approach and philosophy.